Hello and welcome to 504 West Palm in beautiful Waterway Palms Plantation. This community has it all, from an amazing amenity center to the homes that are actually in it. And this house does not disappoint. We're talking 3 levels, we're talking 4 beds, 5 baths, and we're talking about a bonus level up top that we're gonna go ahead and show you that's a little bit of secret between you and me. Let's come on inside. So here we are on the main level of the house. Now down here we have what could be classified as a separate bedroom, being used as an office right now, as well as a full-on dining room over here. Some cool features about this main level here. We have a full bathroom downstairs, an elevator that runs through every single floor of the house, not to mention access to the kitchen from here, and of course the primary living area with a beautiful view of the waterway here in the back. One of the more unique features about this home is not only the fact that we have 12-foot ceilings here on the main floor, however we have trays throughout the entirety of the ceiling, not just in one room. This is a very unique feature. Of course, one of the most important rooms to consider in the home is going to be the kitchen. We've got a ton of space in here with a massive sink. We've got gas stove right here. We've got a spout right on top of that as well for your convenience. One of the cooler parts I've found to be the Sub-Zeros built right in to look uniform with the cabinetry. You've got yourself a little prep space over here. You can put your wine bottles just like they have. And then of course, we have a massive pantry on the inside as well. Out here we have the view of the beautiful Intercoastal Waterway from the main living room area. A couple things to note about this deck. Obviously it's below the private deck that comes from the main bedroom upstairs. However, one word I want to say to you is access points. There's water out here. There's access to gas for a grill. Pretty much anything you could want for this space, it's out here. As we come upstairs, we find where everybody sleeps. We're starting with the main suite over here. We've got a massive space in here, obviously the tray ceilings as well, but take a look at this real quick. On the top level here, we have private access to another deck that faces the waterway outside. Fantastic. And going into the main bathroom here, you're gonna find a couple of really special features here. Obviously the his and hers sinks. We also have a bathtub with the claw feet, very popular feature here, but the shower is where it's at. Let's talk about this laundry room. Obviously it's on the upper level with the most bedrooms, so incredibly convenient, but the one word that comes to mind in here is space. I'm talking space for side-by-side units, I'm talking counter space for folding, I'm talking space for storage, and of course if you wanted to wash your clothes the old-fashioned way, we've got space for a big old sink right there for you. As we go into the next bedroom, I want to pay close attention to the theme we've got on this house, which is space. Plenty of room in this one over here, giant closet, and also a full bathroom attached to the side right over here. Not to be left out of the space conversation on the 3rd floor, we have our final bedroom, which is equal in size as the one over here and also has its own dedicated bathroom as well. Taking a quick ride in the elevator to the uppermost level. We have a space that is ready to be finished for whatever you'd like it to be. Fantastic for a movie room, fantastic for an office, fantastic for a play space, and the elevator, yes, it does come all the way up here. What house on this scale wouldn't be complete without a mother-in-law suite, which we have down here? A beautiful living space, nice and quiet below, but you'll see that we also have for ourselves a full-on bedroom down here with a full bath as well and access to the backyard. Of course, we have our 2-car garage downstairs with plenty of room for anything you need to store in between. Double doors on the front end, as we saw when we first walked up on the house.